still coming down here at 5 o'clock in the morning. Wind is kicking out here. Wow. No covered basins. There's a trip. Slick is, oh boy, it's slick out here.